Meghalaya observed the World Tuberculosis Day 2023 under the theme Yes, We Can End TB at a program held on the 28th of March 2023 at U Soso Tham Auditorium, Shillong. The program was organized by the Office of the Mission Director, National Health Mission, Meghalaya. Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh attended the program as chief guest. Various awards were presented to Ri-Bhoi, East Khasi Hills and South Garo Hills districts by the NHM, Meghalaya, for their efforts in taking proactive steps in reducing TB cases. The award carries a citation and a cash prize of Rs 50,000 each. Awards were also presented to the winners of the drawing competition for both junior and senior categories, and TB warriors or champions who have been cured and have fully recovered from the disease were also felicitated. The Health and Family Welfare Minister, along with other dignitaries, presented the sub-national certification to East Khasi Hills District for bagging a silver medal carrying a cash prize of Rs 3 lakhs, while the bronze medal carrying a cash prize of Rs 2 lakhs each was presented to West Jaintia Hills, West Garo Hills and West Khasi Hills districts. Recognition was also given to the Dipr and Shillong Press Club for supporting the health department through mass communication. Speaking at the program, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh stated that tuberculosis is a life-threatening disease as it claims many lives, but is preventable and curable with regular and proper medication. While lauding the continuous efforts put in by the medical fraternity of the state, the minister said that they are torchbearers in eradicating tuberculosis by the year 2025, which is in line with the National Strategic Plan for Tuberculosis between 2017 to 2025, with the goal of eradicating the disease by 2025. The minister also called upon the collective efforts of all stakeholders in combating this deadly disease and also stressed on community participation, which plays a vital role in clearing the myths revolving around the disease and at ensuring that proper awareness at the grassroots level is achieved.
So you're saying that there's a 40% reduction in East Khasi Hills, which means we need to work on that 60. Now how do we get there? I'm here to support you all the way. As a minister in this government, me, along with the Honourable Chief Minister, the Council of Ministers, under the leadership of this very educated team of officials and a big support of doctors, so many doctors I'm told are here. So sad I can't take you by name, call you by name, but take it for granted that I thank each and every one of you. You are the leaders, you are the leaders who can take us to that complete eradication and say yes we can. Yes, we can eliminate tuberculosis by 2025. And it is correctly placed. What is a government? What is a team of bureaucrats and a team of doctors without community participation? That's where people like Father Karsati and others come in. This change of approach from thinking that the government can do everything to saying that government cannot do anything without community participation is a change that probably pinched everyone up on that ladder. But we are now a matured community. This nation is a matured community.